to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashells art for 25 years. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY we will create this beautiful seashell flower arrangement like this.
I am Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Polished muffin shell, tortilla, artificial flower stamen, pearlized abalone, and strawberry conch. Glue the strawberry conch below bottom of the polished muffin shell. Put inside of the shell the cut styro ball. Tape the artificial flower stamen into the tip of the wire. Glue the pearlized abalone into the wire. Tortilla shell into the tip of the wire. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.